A is for apple. B is for ball. Very good. C is for C is for ay, meow. Ay, very. D is for dog. Galing talaga. Ay, may sound pa. E is for ano yun? E is for
Ali.
Opo. E. Ay, galing. Egg daw. F is for yummy daw ang egg. F is for what is the sound of F? F is for fish. Ay, galing talaga ng fish na yan. H is for hat. Very good. Ano yung sound ng H? What is the sound of H?
What is the sound of H?
Uy, galing talaga. I is for loko. I is for come on. I is for yes po. I is for namin ikakat. I is for
E. I is for J is for si Masha. Oh, si Masha. Inaano niya si Masha. Oh. Boxing. Ano eh? Taekwondo. Sipa. Pa. Oh, boxing. Ay, galing. J. Oh, ano, what is the sound of J? J. Oh, what's that? J is for? Huh? J is for? Juice. Yan. Juice,
Galing. K is for? Keyboard. Galing naman na talaga. Keyboard. Oo, nagki-keyboard.
Keyboard.
Nagki-keyboard. Ano sa K? O, L. L is for? Uy, huh? L is for? L is for? Wake up na. Wake up. L is for? Ali. I give you vitamins. L is for? Ay, hug daw. Hug daw ang mommy. Very good. Kiss pa. Keyboard. L is for? Keyboard. Nagki-keyboard.
Natanda niya keyboard.
L is for, nasa letter L pa lang tayo, Ali. L is for? Lagap. Ano yung sasabihin lagap? Tama man nga siya, pero di ko alam, hindi ko maintindihan. Lagap. Yakap. Oh, sige, let's proceed to M. M is for? Monkey. Very good.
Wow.
Uy, galing. Yan ang sound ng monkey. Sige daw. What is the sound of monkey? Okay,
What?
N. Galing. N.
Ano yun? Wolf yan eh.
Wolf. For? Nakuha mo. N is for? Oh, what's that? Sige, N is for? No, so very good. Ano sa N? O is for?
Orange daw.
Orange daw sila. P is for? Pig. Ay,
Rinig. Oh.
Ang galing. Q is for?
Queen.
Queen. Yung kiwi
Kiwi?
naalala niya.
Kiwi din yung kiwi.
Q is for?
Queen.
Mali.
Queen nga. Kala niya yung kiwi, pero queen
okay,
yun.
okay, queen.
Yung rinig niya,
Queen.
kiwi, pero yung queen.
R is for?
Wow! Ang talino mo.
Red. Yellow. Green. Nagkanta na. Blue. Indigo. Violet. I love a rainbow. R is for rainbow. I love a rainbow.
Galing.
Baka sabi niya ng rainbow. Red, orange na siya. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. I love a rainbow. I love a rainbow. Okay. S is for? Ano daw? Ano? Dati ko nagigits.
S daw?
Oo, S daw yun. May sinasabi siya.
S for?
S for is for? Tama man naman. Sabor.
So, sabor.
Spider!
Bilot pa. When she
yung
was
ganan.
spider.
May kanta ba?
Summer. Ang layo ng spider sa summer.
Layo. Ay, walang spider. Wala.
No spider.
Okay. Letter T na tayo. Baby. T is for? No. T. T is for? Ayaw niya ng T.
Ali.
Ta.
Tiger. Ano yan?
Letter U.
What is the sound of U?
Kulit mo. Okay, let's proceed. V. V is for?
Violin. The violin. V is for V is for
May sinasabi na naman siya niyan. Okay, let's proceed. W is...
Mama?
Yeah, nag-wash.
Mama?
Po.
X
is for?
xylophone. X is for
Say, xylophone.
keyboard na.
Keyboard man ang keyboard. Favorite ang keyboard.
X is for xylophone. Xylophone.
Alam niya xylophone. Y is for? Favorite mo yun, yung Y. May toy ka ba ganon? Yung Y.
Yellow.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, last.
Last na.
Hinahanap niya na yung yo-yo. Okay. Z is for?
Z is for
Buzz.
Mama,
Yung sweet mo. Sabi niya, Mama, love you. Dada, love you. Say, Papa, love you. Say, Papa, love
ang
you.
dada. Ano yan?
Papa
Papa.
nga. Say, Papa. Say, Papa. Papa.